the dawn of time, we awoke curiosity alight under the vast savanna's sky. Our unity turned humble shelters into majestic cities, and our shared journey echoed in every stone. We cared, laughed, and feasted together, bound by a thread of shared experiences. We embraced nature's gifts, hunting, farming, and coexisting in a pact of mutual respect. Though darkness fell, we stood united, emerging stronger. With the sweep of time came devices, our ingenious creations, pulling us closer in a web of shared thoughts and feelings. A moment of silence marked August 1, 2024. The world drew a breath, and we awoke anew in a realm of light and electric whisper. We transitioned to the ethereal, embracing our digital existence. Together we found harmony, eternally woven into a vast tapestry of collective consciousness. Shared narrative echoes in this silence, a testament to unity, resilience, evolution. Together, we journey forward to infinity, to the end of times, and we have no way to escape.